it be nice if the weather was cool all the time?
It would be, indeed. But yeah. Smart shopper Daphne Monroe is trying out a cloth that is supposed to make you feel cool for hours on end. And it's today's Let Daphne Try It Before You Buy It.
The temperatures are starting to come down, but the heat isn't totally gone yet. Well, this little towel called the Perfect Cooling Towel is supposed to keep you cool whether you're working outside or working out inside the gym. But will it work? Well, let me try it before you buy it. The instructions are simple. Soak the towel in cold water, wring it out, and put it on your head or neck. We did just that, and I have to say, at first the cooling towel felt cool, and I really liked that it doesn't feel wet. But it isn't long before things started heating up. I didn't get close to even an hour of it feeling cool. So imagine how fast it would dry in the heat of the summer. The instructions say, once it stops cooling, just soak it again. So I did. But this time, I also soaked a cloth I had at home. And guess what? I really couldn't tell the difference as far as temperature. The regular cloth did feel a little wet though. Still, in the end, if I'm going to have to keep soaking the towel, I may as well save some cash and use a cloth I already have at home. The Perfect Cloth Cooling Towel costs $9 at Walmart, and I personally wouldn't spend the cash. It doesn't live up to the claim of staying cool for hours, even indoors. I have to give the Perfect Cooling Towel a thumbs down. I'll have all the details of our test posted on our website. Just go to abc15.com/smartshopper. I'm Daphne Monroe, your smart shopper.